Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy with the Styles channel. My name is Mercy. Today I'm participating in an open collaboration, a beautiful table setting for Easter, hosted by the Glam Squad, Glamour Ellen, Luxury Living with Earn, Glam Home My Style My Colors, Glam Queen of Decor. I'm going to leave the ladies' link in the description box down below for you guys to check it out. Let's get to work. In today's video, I'm going to use pretty much everything that I already have at the house except the centerpiece. I bought them for the thrift store a couple days ago. Today I wanted my centerpiece to be very low, and those flower vases are perfect for that. The table warmer, I got it from Ross years ago. Those beautiful flowers, I get them from Walmart, and I put 2 in each vase. I want it to look prettier and mix and match them. Whenever I'm using color in my centerpiece, I always try to use white or lighter color for my dish plate. The chargers are from Home Goods and the dining plate from Walmart. This is a finished look, guys. Let me know what do you think if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, like it, and share it. This video was made during nighttime, as you can see, guys. I'ma hold on till I can't let go. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. On my next upload, you'll be the first to know. In my channel, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, I do my nails, home decor, DIY, clean with me. If you're not new, you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today, right now. To all my current subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for all of you, and keep on watching. And I've been here before, I think I've told you. Alright, starlight, say what you will, say what you want. I won't grow up, I will come around. Say what you feel, say anything. I'ma hold on till I can't let. Bonjour, bonsoir tout le monde, bienvenue sur la chaîne ça. Si vous la première fois, moi souhaite bienvenue. S'il vous plaît, pas bien abonner et puis partager. Et si pas première fois, ou la moi dis merci un peu parce que toujours retourner venir supporter moi, regarder vidéo, partager les. Merci un peu pour support. Moi aime nous un peu. Continuez à regarder vidéo. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon ami ainsi, je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci pour votre support. Je vous aime. I want to say to all my viewers, my subscribers, all my family around the world, I know you're watching me right now. Thank you so much for your support. I just want to let you know, guys, whenever I'm counting my blessing, you guys are a very big part of it. Thank you so much for taking your time watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you on my next one. Bye!